Meaning of gymnasium.
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 Gymnasium. The word gymnasium has multiple meanings, depending on the context in which it is used. In general, a gymnasium is a large room or building equipped for indoor sports, exercise, and physical training. It may also refer to a school that focuses on academic studies, specifically for preparing students for higher education. Additionally, in ancient Greece, a gymnasium was a place where young men would gather for athletic and intellectual pursuits. Overall, a gymnasium is a space that promotes physical fitness, mental agility, and academic excellence.